I got this today. A little ActionCam from China. 42 quid. Look at it. Great. There's loads of different little mounts and whatever. But I'm liking that. It's 1080p. It's not waterproof, so you're only going to use it in the dry. Dead simple. I think you just turn it on. Maybe I didn't press it. There we go. It flashes at the back so you can see when it's recording as well. Apparently the footage on this is really good. I'll shoot some footage off the camera and then we'll see what it looks like. So here it is. This is recording on the bike now with the other camera. So see the quality of it. The footage should be pretty good really. It's 1080p. Check the sound in a second. I'm pretty impressed with that for the money. That's pretty good. I'll take it on a test ride at the weekend just to see what it's really like.